little friends. Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to have a great time counting and playing with shapes. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start by counting. How many animals can we see here? Let's count them together. Look, here are 5 animals. Let's count them out loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, everyone. You counted all 5 animals. Can you count with me again? Let's go. Now, let's count something different. How many colorful balloons do you see floating in the air? Let's count the balloons together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 balloons in the sky. How fun! Now, let's learn about shapes. Shapes are all around us, and they come in all different sizes. Let's see if we can spot some shapes together. Let's start with the circle. Look, it's round like a ball. Can you say circle with me? Circle. Great job. Now, let's find the square. A square has 4 equal sides, just like a box. Can you say square with me? Square! Awesome! Let's go on a shape adventure. Can you help me find shapes around the jungle? Look at the tree. Can you find a shape that is round? Yes, it's a circle. Great job! Now, let's look at that door. What shape is it? That's right. It's a square. You're doing so well. Let's keep going. Can you spot any more shapes around here? Oh, look at that beehive. What shape do you see? Yes, it's an oval. And over there, the tent in the jungle. What shape does it look like? That's right. It's a triangle. Now, let's learn about adding numbers. When we add, we put things together. Let's try it with apples. How many apples do we have in total? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 apples. Great job! Adding is fun. Let's try another one. Now, let's try subtraction. When we subtract, we take something away. Let's start with some toy cars. We have 5 toy cars, but oh no. 1 car drives away. How many are left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 cars left. Great job. Now let's play a fun game. I will show you some numbers, and you have to tell me if we are adding or subtracting. Are you ready? Here's our first problem, 3 plus 2. Are we adding or subtracting? Yes, we are adding. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Great job. Let's try another one. 7 minus 4. Are we adding or subtracting? That's right. 7 minus 4 equals 3. You're amazing at this. Let's try another one. 2 times 5. Are we adding or multiplying? That's right. We are multiplying. 2 multiply 5 equals 10. You're amazing at this. Let's try another one. 4 slash 2 inches. Are we subtracting or divising? That's right. We are divising. 4 divide 2 equals 2. You're amazing at this. Final challenge. What about 3 plus 3? Yes, it's 6 inches. You all did an amazing job today. Keep practicing your counting, shapes, and math, and you'll be a math champion. See you next time. Bye-bye.